Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you couldn't tell already, I'm in a slightly different place. So we actually just moved and I'm filming from my new bedroom. So as of right now, I can't really give you guys a tour because I still haven't finished unpacking because I'm waiting for some new furniture to come in. But for today's video, since the new competition season is coming up really soon, I thought I would show you guys what my competition makeup routine is. So you've probably seen my makeup like in my Instagram posts, and I don't think you could see it very well, but in my YouTube videos as well, like where I show you my routines. So today I'll just be showing you exactly what I do and how detailed it is. So actually today I'm going to be doing a very neutral look, but typically my routines are split over 2 days. So I have like this year I have hoop and ball on the first day typically, and then I would have clubs and ribbon on the second day. So I would potentially do a color theme per day. But today I'm going to be showing you the neutral look that I like to do. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so the first thing I like to do before I put on my makeup is I put my hair up. So it doesn't really have to be anything fancy. I just did like a folded ponytail. Sometimes I do my bun before I do my makeup, so then my hair is like out of the way and it's not an issue anymore. Right now, of course, I'm not doing my bun, so I just put it up like this. But you want to make sure that you don't have any hair like in your face, that it's not getting in your way while you're doing your makeup. Next, I like to take out all of the makeup products that I'm going to be using and just put them on top of whatever counter or like surface I'm gonna have around me. I also like to put on some chapstick before I get started so that my lips aren't chapped when I have lipstick on, because putting chapstick on top of lipstick doesn't really work. So first I like to take my concealer and foundation and just spread it out everywhere. Now before I get started, I just want to let you guys know I'm not any kind of makeup professional. If I'm doing something wrong, you can like tell me, but this is just the way I like to do it. So half of what I'm doing could be like completely wrong. So don't take my word for it, but this works for me, so that's how I do it, and it turns out fine. So I'm gonna take my concealer, I don't know if you can see what it is, and I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And then I'm gonna take my foundation and basically spread it out everywhere. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just blend it all out. I've finished my concealer and foundation. I'm going to take my blush and just put it on my cheeks. Now I'm going to take my bronzer stick and put that on. Now I'm going to take my highlighter and put that on. Now I'm going to take my brush and blend it out. Now I'm going to go back and take my foundation. I like to use a Q-tip for this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt some out onto the Q-tip and hopefully not get it everywhere. And then I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to put it onto my eyelids. So I like to do this because it gives it a neutral color. As you can see the difference between this eye and that one. This one has foundation, that one doesn't. So you can kind of see my veins and stuff like that, like the uneven colors there. And this kind of just neutralizes the color, which is why I like to put it on my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with an eye pencil. So this is actually sparkly white. Not sure if you can see it on the camera. Sometimes I'll use a smaller one just to get the details if I can't. But what I'll do is I'll go in at the edge of the eyelid and I'll brush it out somewhere towards the middle and I'll kind of blend it out. So this is kind of what it'll look like. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but there's white on the inside and it's kind of blended out with the neutral color on the outside. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put on mascara. And I'm gonna do this on both the top and bottom lashes, but first I'm gonna curl them. Okay, so I finished the mascara and now I'm gonna do my least favorite part, which is the eyeliner. So I'm actually really bad at this, which is why I hate it, and it kind of takes me a while. So let's see if it works, and let's hope it does. Okay, so I finished the black eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go in with this glitter eyeliner, just right above it, and I'm gonna go over the whole eyelash. Well, with the black one, I went over half of it. Okay, so now that I've finished everything else, I'm going to move on to the last thing, which is my lips. So what I like to do is I use two different matte lipsticks. So I use the dark, oh my god. I use the darker one on the outside of my lips and the lighter one on the inside. And then I'll put a little bit of this shiny lipstick that I got at TJ Maxx for like $5. And then I'll put lip gloss. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff. So this is just the two lipsticks. As you can see, the lighter one is on the inside and the darker one is on the outside. And this is like without any gloss or anything like that. You can see it kind of looks like the light reflecting, but that's actually just the different colors. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit of this color. I'm not sure if you can really tell. And then I'm gonna rub that out and then I'm gonna put lip gloss on. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look. I have two different colors on my lips. I have just white on my eyes with a bit of foundation underneath. I also have black eyeliner and glitter eyeliner and mascara on. So it's actually a very simple look. This took me about 15 minutes. And it matches literally any leotard. If you want, you could do red, of course. I used to do red and then I found those two pink colors, which I liked better. So when you're doing your makeup, you always have to make sure that it matches your leotards and your routines. And typically what I find is when I can't come up with a look that matches the leotard or the music or something, I just go with this and then I coordinate the lipstick with the color of the leotard. So like if there's red, I put red. If there is no red, then I typically put pink, just because I have multiple different shades of pink. Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was helpful to you. And if it was and you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. Also, go follow my Instagram at tovamichelle.rg and my TikTok at tovamichelle. I'll link both of them in the description down below.